Hello crafting friends. I wanted to do a fun unboxing with you guys. I put in an order with Michael's the day before yesterday, and it already arrived. I started collecting their Lemax villages last year, and I learned very quickly that when they put them out, you have to buy them, even though it's not even July yet. So I went into my store and they were already really picked over. So I ordered the one that I wanted online from them, and it was delivered today. I'm so excited. So let me share this first. After July, end of July, I like to start my Halloween crafting, my fall crafting, because it comes so quickly. Y'all get it. I know that y'all get it. And I found this is like $3 something. I thought it was so cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. I thought it would be cute on a bracelet, but I would have to bring this up. Super cute. And again, not very expensive. But let's get into this guy here. I'm so excited. I have so much fun crafting things to add to my village as well. Here I got the one that I'm adding to my village. Just so gracefully ripping into this, aren't I? I got the Macrobee, is it mansion or house? Yes, it's mansion. And oh, I love it, y'all. I think that it is so cute because it has the graphics in the windows and it's super detailed. So cute. You have the scary man on the porch and all of these cool ghosts that are in the windows. That I just fell in love with this one this year and I grabbed it. I'm super excited about that. And if you are a Lemax collector, I don't collect at Christmas time because I feel like it just gets too cluttered at Christmas time because when I put stuff out, I don't like it to feel cluttered. But I do collect the Halloween ones, and I learned that there's so many neat things that you can make. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to take you off of here. So stuff like this here. This came in, I don't even know what this came in. This came in something that I got last year, and it is really intrusive. It's kind of, it is not kind of, it is really big, but I've kept it in my craft room since last year after Halloween, because I knew that it would be such a great piece to carve and to add moss and creepy rocks and things to add to a village scene. So I've learned that when pieces like this come in things that I order, to keep them, because foam is not cheap. I bought a piece last year that was about this piece's thickness and probably about that big to do a Lemax project, and it wasn't so cheap. So I figured that I would keep this piece and see what I can do with it this year, Lord willing. So I'm hoping that I can get to that and share that with y'all too in the next couple months. But I hope that you have a sweet day. Bye-bye.